Hello and happy Tech Tuesday! Today I'm going to show you a new feature of Google Chrome, which is the QR code generator. This is going to be quick and easy. Check this out. So say you wanted your students to go to a specific website, maybe the OKC Zoo website, because they have a really good website and zoo, just FYI. Maybe you're doing small groups in your classroom and you have stations and you want them to, with their Chromebooks, with whatever technology they have available, you want them to go to a certain place on the internet, right? And so you can print out or just put a QR code in your LMS system, Google Classroom, etc. You can absolutely do that with this new QR code generator on Google Chrome. So I'm going to show that off. Here we go. So I'm on Google Chrome and I notice that I have this little URL box right there where I can plug in any website whatsoever. And then if I move over here, ta-da-da-da, I have this little button right here and I'm going to blow this up just a little bit. Okay, I have this little button right over here. I'm going to draw a little circle right there. Boom, boom. That is the QR code generator. Okay, and if you don't see it in your Chrome browser, that's probably because you don't have an updated version of Chrome, or you need to just click on this little star button or hover your mouse over this little part. So that is the QR code generator. Let's check out what it does. Here we go. So I'm clicking on it and then this is what pops up. It has a little tiny T-Rex in there. And what I can do is I can download it and I can change it too. I can change it to whatever website I want. After I download it, again, I can print it off. I can put it anywhere I want that QR code and students can scan it and put it into their iPads, their tablets, their Chromebooks, whatever you need. Now, how do you get them to scan it is the question. Well, any modern tablet or phone has where you can just click on the camera and just hold it up to the QR code and then it'll take them immediately there. With some Chromebooks, you may need to use an extension or use a handy dandy website. So I just like to Google QR code reader for Chromebook and they have a ton of options available. So that is the QR code generator that Chrome automatically has now. I think that's pretty nifty. How I would use it in the classroom? Well, I would probably have stations maybe for Shakespeare, and I want students to check out a tour of the Globe Theater. And so I would print out a QR code and put it on their handy dandy desk station, if you will. Maybe I'm doing an escape room and I want students to locate certain items around the room. So I might hide some of these QR codes and that would take them to a Google form or take them to wherever I need them to go. So there are tons of ways that you can use QR codes. Another idea real quick is if students are struggling with a grammar concept. So let's see, run-on sentences. You can have a little station in your room devoted to need help with run-ons and then have that QR code right there so that students, if they're writing in your class and they're really struggling, they can go over to the help station and just do-do-do-do and then have the resources that you either create or you have there for them with the QR code generator. So how are you using QR codes in your classroom, and how could we be using QR codes in our new virtual teaching that we have found ourselves in these past year and couple months? All right, hope you're having a wonderful week and I'll see you for next Tech Tuesday.